Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is January the 31st, 2021. Here we are. We're going to give you all an update price prediction for Tattooed Chef. Now, if you guys can remember, the last time we did our video for Tattooed Chef was all the way back here on the 15th of January, 2021. And we already expected that the market in Tattooed Chef was going to go lower in price. We caught that. We expected that. And look what the trap has done. Since we recorded that video, the market went lower. You have to learn how to predict the market in order to capitalize on profit. And we're showing it to you the unconfusing way. We're not using any technical indicators on our charts. We're not speaking in a jargon that is hard to understand and grasp, but yet we're simply playing the trap. Now the trap is the one who moves the market. If you guys haven't realized that there is someone who coordinates the price movements, and literally you can actually track their footprints so that you can profit and get in position so you can beat them to the lick and capitalize. That is what we do. So if this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. If you guys are interested in cryptocurrencies, we have another channel as well, HueFin News, to where we only do our price predictions for cryptocurrencies. That is one of the best things of learning language analysis, because once you learn language analysis, you're able to take what you know and place it in any other market. So let's go into this real quick. First, let's look at the performance of the trap versus our prediction. Okay, so here we are. We expected the market in Tattooed Chef to go lower. It did. So congratulations on those who was able to capitalize on this price movement. 8.8% profitability. That's done. That is over. We need to take it away and get rid of it. Okay. Now, how do we know that the ultimate area could be around $23? Is because he already established that starting on the 29th, going into the beginning half of January. We saw that. So let's get rid of it. Now we need to see whether or not this weakness is still going to be in play for Tattooed Chef. Because as you can see, as I zoom out, this market, for the most part, is not in a trend. It is not, in a upward trend. It's not in a downward trend. It's just literally trading jagged. Like, take a look at this. The market shoots up, down, up, down, up. Now we're coming down. So where can support be at? Where is support? Since we're in a downward movement in this particular stock right now, we need to determine where is support. It could be around $22, $21, right? Can you see that? Let me draw a couple of lines on here just to give you a visual depiction as to where support can be. Okay, so $22 right here, $21 right there. Okay, so we're already seeing afar off as to where the trap can come in and try to prop up this particular stock. Is either going to be 22 or $21. The ultimate area that we cannot see price go below is 20. We cannot see price in Tattooed Chef break $20 to the downside. I mean, when you look at a percentage range as to where we close on Friday to $20, that's about 13.5% market moving to the downside right there. Gone. Okay, so we're going to stair step this way down. Okay, we're going to look at the market to try to come towards 22 and then 21 and then ultimately 20. Right now, let's see how the market looks on a 3-day time frame. It doesn't look that bad. I mean, the market in Tattooed Chef is weak. That $22 area definitely looks feasible on this 3-day time frame. Definitely 21. Okay, what about on the 5-day? 5-day time frame, we have a pretty wide spread going on into the market in Tattooed Chef. So definitely I'm seeing the trap trying to come in and prop the market around 22, but on the 5-day, it looks a little bit more probable that $21 can also be support here. Okay. Now on the weekly, here the market also shows us that the prospect of lower price is still here. So generally overall, the environment for Tattooed Chef is weak. This particular stock is not showing us that it wants to go higher. Not yet. So we're going to continue to play the weakness in the market for Tattoo Chef. We're not going to make it confusing nor complicated. And we're going to continue to play the weakness until we see this price either break above $25 to $26 to the upside. Okay. Now, one thing I would tell you that this trap has going for itself, or those individuals who want the market to go higher, is that you guys can see that the market really has just been trading in a range, 26 back down to $22, right? That lets us know that there's at least a market right there in between those two prices. Now, this upcoming trading week, if this market is able to prop up 22, then we'll suspect that the market's going to continue to trade in this consolidational range. Really, that's what we're going to expect. So be on the lookout for that. Market does not break $22 to the downside on weakness, then the sideways trading that has started on the week of the 21st of December, it is still in play. Okay, but we're not expecting the market to go higher in price outside of it going higher back up towards $25 or $26. That's about it that we're seeing right now. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. We're going to play some of this weakness into the market in Tattoo Chef again. And we said that $26 ultimately is the area of restriction. Our TP area is going to be right here at 22, which is about 5%. We can definitely see that come to fruition, especially if the volatility continues to be played out against all the short interest, all of the short squeezes, all of the restrictions that these exchanges are placing on traders. $22 is not going to be a problem for the trap to come in at. The market will come all the way back down to 21 if that's going to be the case. Okay, so we'll ultimately take the bag right there around $21, but we would TP skim off a little bit right there around 21. Okay, so this is it. This is our expectations going forward in the market for Tattoo Chef. So now, what's your position? What do you guys expect or predict to go on in the market for Tattoo Chef? Let us know with a comment in the comment section. And hey, do not make this confusing. We're not about that. We're simply here to give y'all our predictions the unconfusing way. So let's keep that going. Leave us your comment as to where you think Tattoo Chef is going to go and where would you take the lick, i.e., where would you exit out your position at profit. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Now go and just simply trade different. All right.